Musalia Mudavadi, mwana wa Hana. Hiyo nimejua leo makes the two of us because my mother is called Hannah. In Your Excellency, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, the fifth, we have the fifth Musalia Mudavadi, we have the fifth William Samoei Ruto of the UDA, we have Senator Wetangula, we have Mheshimiwa former Governor Kiambu Kabogo, we have distinguished national delegates of ANC governors in our presence, all protocols observed. In the normal circumstances, I would feel that I'm in unfamiliar ground because this is an ANC national delegates conference. However, Your Excellency Musalia Mudavadi, we are grateful that you have invited the UDA fraternity, but we have listened to your message, and that's why I'm saying I would be in an unfamiliar ground, but your message resonates with the message of UDA. We are talking about the bottom up, we are talking about economic revolution, we are talking about uchumi bora, pesa mfukoni. But I want to tell you, the two of you, Senator Wetang and Kavogo, and all the leaders here, before we can attain and achieve uchumi bora, bottom up, uchumi bora, bottom up, we must destroy dictatorship. This country is reeling down, kneeling down, because we are talking about a few people, about a few families, and indeed they come in the name of inclusivity and unity. But all we have seen since the handshake is division, police brutality, and lack of money in our pockets. They have not helped women achieve 2/3 gender equality. I am one of the only 23 women members of parliament, but we want 50-50 governors. We want 50-50 members of parliament. We want women on the table where we share the national cake. So, Your Excellencies, I am very humbled to be one of the speakers here. I want to wish you well, but I know the winning team is in Bomas of Kenya today.